Hello, everyone, and happy holidays for all that are getting ready for that. Every Monday, we sit down and I give you one of the trades that was given to the StatsEdge Pro members on Sunday. Again, we give tons of time to get ready for the week. So, Sunday morning, they get the access to the entire list, 25 years back tested data, and we know all the swing trades we could potentially take. On Monday, I try to get one that is already triggered to you guys so you can see what it is that we're doing. And it's been a fantastic year that we're wrapping up. I'm super excited for next year to continue to build and play with new strategies. And if that's something that interests you, again, going over to StatsEdgeTrading.com, you can see all of the back tests for everything that we do, and you can look at all the different strategies and what it is that we're trying to accomplish and get those alerted directly to you via a Discord alert bot. Now, without further ado, let's pop into it here. We'll talk about today Mastercard. So we had a couple that went through, and a lot of them actually went through within the financial sector as a whole. So if I take a look at XLF, this is probably why. Right? This particular strategy that we're looking for is a momentum continuation strategy. It has a sub 50-50, like roughly a 50-50 win rate, but every now and then it does an amazing job of hitting one out of the park. Like DDL last week, right? We bought right here at 218, and then the official sell price would have been up here at 256. So again, I will take a sub 50-50 win rate in return to getting 20% gainers periodically. That's really all you need to do. So a lot of them coming through from the financial sector makes a lot of sense because we had a huge push up and then a nice sideways consolidation. Now it looks like we're turning here on the XLF as a whole. So that's why we're talking about Mastercard is going to be somewhat related to financials, although not a bank related, bank-esque. And we're getting a little bit of a breakout here. So the official entry here is 573. We're up at 576 already. The idea is we're looking for this breakout to hold. Stop loss, again, worst case, where there's an algorithmically designed stop loss, and that actually sits there at 565. So roughly in this area right here. Worst case stop, you just put something right under these prior lows. If it broke that, it's time to go. So we're looking for a little break, continuation. Obviously, a shortened week this week, so you have to be a little bit careful for that. And then knowing that there's a potential of this Santa Claus rally that starts in 2 days from now and then carries on for about a week. So there's a chance that the whole market gets a lift. So these momentum names hopefully will get a lift with it. That's why I was interested in Mastercard, because it's a big, S&P 500 component. So if the market's going to get a lift and a breakout, it would make sense that Mastercard will as well. So again, if you want to start off your new year by saying, in the new year, I'm going to be very systematic about my trading and investing. I'm going to be able to know on Sunday every swing trade I'll make for next week. And at the beginning of every day trade I'll potentially make. And then at the beginning of every month, all of the investments I do. And they'll be based off of a kind of proven systematic process, a back test that has gone back for 25 years, regardless of different markets. If you're interested at all in doing that, go on over to StatsEdgeTrading.com. The link will be in the description below, or again, you can find it somewhere on my page, depending on where you're watching this, but StatsEdgeTrading.com. And until I see you next time, which will be around Christmas, get away from the screens, hang out with family just a little bit.